In 1947, the partition of the subcontinent took place, and India and Pakistan became two independent states. Independence from 2 centuries of British rule was supposed to be a happy moment for the people of the subcontinent, but it wasn't exactly that for the people of Kashmir. Since independence, Indian forces have occupied Kashmir illegally and continue to do so despite several UN resolutions demanding for a plebiscite in the region. According to a March 2017 report by CNN, violence has killed more than 47,000 people in Kashmir, which does not include people who have disappeared due to the conflict. Recently, 2 more Kashmiris were killed by the Indian military in their hometowns. They were Ashiq Ahmed Butt of Patan and Tayyib Majid Mir from Baramulla. Whenever Indian forces kill a Kashmiri, thousands pour out to take part in the funeral processions. The youth were killed by Indian troops during a fake encounter. They were laid to rest amid anti-India and pro-freedom slogans. A complete shutdown was observed in many areas of the district to mourn the killings of the youth. And this is what their funerals actually looked like. But were these funerals covered by the international media? Till when will Kashmiris go through this bloodshed? When will the United Nations play its role? Will Kashmiris ever see freedom? These are questions that need immediate answers. And until then, innocent Kashmiris will most likely keep dying.